Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. I'm really sorry that I didn't upload for like the past, I want to say 2 weeks, maybe 3. I have been like hella busy, so that's why. But today I have a brand new video for you guys, and today we're going to be doing the nasty smoothie challenge. And I'm not excited for it, and I think you are.
No.
She chose 3 nasty ingredients and 3 good ingredients, and so did I. So for my nasty ones, I chose tartar sauce, ketchup, and a hot dog. And then she chose pickles, Goya, what is this? Goya marinade, a cheese slice. And for good, I chose water, orange juice, and strawberry cream cheese spread. And what did you choose?
Hazelnut creamer, a popsicle, and grapes.
This bowl has like each ingredient, so we just get to pick out from now. We're doing a rock, paper, scissors and see.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, you go first, yeah.
Oh, I already know. I got orange juice.
You don't have to put a lot. I actually wanted orange juice in mine.
Just gonna put like a little bit, like that much.
Okay.
You think that's good?
Yeah. I really hope I don't get a nasty one. Grapes.
How many?
Yeah. Should I just put like 4?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 grapes. These are the red grapes. I like these. So you guys know I'm not cheating. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, so good.
Okay, next. I'm scared. Not gonna be good.
Actually, I'm not praying for you. I hope you get a bad one so I don't get it. What is it?
Slice of cheese.
You don't
Only half.
have to do half. You don't have to do whole.
Oh. Orange juice with cheese.
And just thinking about it makes me gag. Like my eyes are watering. Look.
Half. Looks
Okay.
like eggs.
No, 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 no. Hot dog, no!
No.
Grief and hot dogs. I'm only gonna do a little piece. Is this like half? Just that. Okay, there. Oh. I already know this is gonna be bad. This is not gonna end good now. And grapes.
Oh my god. Oh, I got coffee creamer.
I really hope I get water just so I can have it liquidy because I don't want this.
I'm just gonna put a little bit in this.
Yours isn't so bad.
Oh my god. Orange juice and creamer.
We got 2 good things.
And you got 1 so far. You don't know what you'll get next.
I really don't want it to be gross. Water. Oh my god, okay.
Pour it all.
Only that much.
Oh my god.
There's my water and grapes and hot dog. This is not gonna be good.
Oh god. Oh, cream cheese.
See, that's not bad. I need to drink yours. This cream cheese, by the way, is really good. It's a strawberry cream cheese, so if you guys like eating bagels or anything with cream cheese, buy this. What do you think this is?
Goya. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Try it.
Pickle. What? This is so gross.
Oh god. Tartar sauce. Ew.
I love tartar sauce, just not in a smoothie. Here you go.
Ew. That's disgusting.
Okay, now yours is ruined too. Ketchup. I got ketchup. This is not good. This is like...
Oh.
There. That's how much ketchup I put.
Wait, we choose these last 2, right?
Yeah. Please get... No.
Oh, Goya.
Which means I get the whole popsicle. Wait, shake it. All this stuff is right there. These are so like
orange juice and this together.
Your stinks so bad, it smells like vomit.
Can I just steal this now?
No. The last one's popsicle. I don't think I want the stick in there. She's gonna just add water just so it's more liquidy.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
This is what mine looks like. It has popsicles, hot dogs, grapes, ketchup, and water. Yours has tartar sauce, cheese, cream cheese, orange juice, creamer, and Goya sauce. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do this. There's hot dog pieces in it.
I can't see
Guys,
it that much.
there's Caitlin's and then there's mine. Mine
This
has
has
hot
water
dog.
because I had water.
Yeah, there's. I really hope this is watered down enough. But look, can you see the hot dog pieces in there? What? Rate the smell 1 out of 10. -5.
5.
Let me smell. Your smells doesn't smell that bad. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm about to throw up. I'm about to throw up the Goya sauce. I can feel it on. No! Oh my god.
Oh
There's
no.
hot dog pieces in my mouth. Get the fuck away. I see the pieces of cheese in my mouth. Tastes like hot dogs. Mine tastes like Goya. Try one more. Wait. You guys, this it tastes so bad. I taste ketchup, pickles, and hot dogs right now. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I can't do it.
Oh my god. So much Goya. I only put a little bit
And
of
they also taste like popsicles.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Drinking that makes me want to throw up even more. Oh my god.
The hot dog pieces in my mouth and it's so disgusting. Just never mind this. Because it's I can feel the hot dog pieces right now. It's not good. Okay,
I can't do it. I just can't. I seen the cheese chunks at the bottom and I started gagging because
It has like a sweet taste because of the popsicle, but then there's the hot dogs that I can taste and it's just disgusting, like the texture and stuff. It's disgusting. I think I'm gonna not eat for the next like 2 weeks. You still want to eat dinner?
that was puke. Okay.
I was just kidding. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm really sorry for not posting the past few weeks, but I will try to go back on track and post every weekend at least, or every other weekend. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I love you guys. See you guys next time. Bye!